we do a phase one. We realized that there was a technical error, so today I'm going to be doing the phase one on Avee's player. Okay, learning how to make your own spectrum of music visualizer. So we're going to be learning about how to get the software from online and also to get the software from Microsoft Store. It's available on Microsoft Store and it's also available online. So the first thing we're going to be doing today is learning how to get the software from online. So right now I'm going to start sharing my screen and you can follow with the video. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is it in your search engine. Tap the word Avee player. Here, Avee player. Download for Windows 10. Avee player also available in Microsoft Store, which I will get that later. So this is it. You can download it from any link that is given here, the results. Now you can also get it from Microsoft Store. So I'm going to show you how you can get it from Microsoft Store. I'm going to stop sharing the screen right now and then I'll show you how you can get it from Microsoft Store. So this is Microsoft Store I'm on right now on my PC. So all you need to do is come at the search bar, okay, and then you tap in the word Avee player, okay, then it pop up, okay. Now you click on it, click on Avee player. This is it. This is it, guys. So you can launch it, you can download it and then launch it. I already have it installed. Launch it. So just in case you install it and you want to know how you can get it, right? You want to know how you can get it to open it. Avee player. This is it. You just come right back to your search box, okay, on your PC, and then you tap Avee player. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing the screen and then I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So all you do is you come right there to the search button in the PC and then you tap Avee player, okay? Or anywhere on the desktop you have it. Then you click enter. Exactly. Then you have the player opens automatically. All right. Automatically the players open. So basically what are we going to be doing today? Basically, we're going to be learning how to add our photos and our music photos, our pictures photos, our image photos that we are going to be using for the entire tutorials for today, okay? So the first thing we want to do is learn how to add photos. So I'm going to stop sharing the screen and I'm going to the player, Avee player. Okay, so I'm back. So the first thing we want to learn how to do here is learn how to add photo to our apps that we're going to be using to create our music spectrums or visualizers. So the first thing you want to go back to your home menu. Okay, you see library. You click on library. This is it, library. Now, once you click on library, now this, at the menu, when you click on library, at the home sections, you will see, for example, you can go back. This is a menu. This is its time. Okay, if you click on it, this is icons. Okay, time. This is for music, voice, music, and also you have it the playlist sections, and you come to the footer. Now this is what we're going to be focusing on. But if you have a playlist also, if you have a playlist of music, you can add a playlist of music. For example, if you create playlist of music, you can create a playlist and add it right here. Now, when you create a playlist, you click on create playlist. Okay. Once you click on create playlist, as you can see right here, you can type in the name of the playlist and then you create a playlist. Well, once you create a playlist of the music, you want to make sure you have a photo of that music for the playlist. So that's how you can do that. Okay, so but our focus is going to be how we can add a photo for our pictures and our music today. So this is how we can do it. Now you come, once you click on the photo sections, you see add photo, okay? Now you click on add photo. Now you can find whatever you save the photo of your pictures or the music, you can find it in your primary drive or you can find it in your secondary drive or on your desktops. Okay, one thing you want to understand here is you see all of these PC 3D objects, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, these are all in a secondary drive. Now, for me, my secondary drive here is, you see, this is the Windows C drive. Now, your primary drive is your D drive. Sometimes it's different. This is the backup or the recovery drive. So everything that you see here, documents, download, pictures, music, they are all in the secondary drive. So whatever you save it, for example, I have a music visualizer. For example, if I want to upload my videos and pictures, so I go to my video photo, anywhere I save it on my desktop, I documents, download, whatever, wherever it is, pictures, videos, or I can even go to my primary drive or go to my, my secondary drive or go to my primary drive. Okay. But I already have it. Now, once you find the photo, you just click on the photo and then add photo right here. And then automatically your photo is going to come here. So I already have the photo that I'm going to be using today to learn how to create music spectrum or music visualizer using Avee player. So now we are in Avee player. This is Avee player we're in. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to go back to our workspace. Okay, so how can we go back to see our spectrums or our visualizer? Now this is it. This is the pictures of exactly what we want to see. So once you click on this uh, visualizer pictures, it takes you exactly to where we're going to be doing all of our work today. This is our entire workspace. This is our entire tools at the upper left corner. As you can see here, this is our drive. This is our bar. If you want to go back, this is our drive. We want to go into our drive to find our photos. If we want to go back to where we save our music that we're going to be using, of course, it's a music spectrum, music visualizer. So you need a music or a video, but it's going to be audio in the background. Okay. It's going to be audio in the background. It's not going to be playing as a video. Definitely not. So everything we're doing here now is going to be audio. That's why it's a music or audio spectrum or visualizer. Now, so the first thing we want to learn how to do here is how we can change the spectrum. So if we want to change the spectrums or this visualizer, what do we have to do? First thing we have to come here. Now, this is the spectrum sections. Okay, once you click on this image, the centered image, we can change the background image and we can change the image at the top, we can change the image at the bottom, the left and right. So what do we want to do again? We want to go back to insert. Go back to insert, we have different types of images here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you want to be careful, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 images you can change. Now you want to be careful when you are changing your image. Make sure you pay attention because the moment you click on the image, there's going to be an icon, okay? A lightning icon that's going to display and will tell you that is a background image, that is the front image, or the left side or the right side or the top or the bottom image. So for example, if I click on this image, now that is it. That is the icon I just packed. Now that tells us that we are going to change our background image. So come again, our image properties opens, we come down, we scroll custom image, and then we click on custom image. click on, again, remember where you save your images. You pick one image from there, and I'm going to just choose any of this just for practice, guys, just for practice. Now you see we have changed our background image. We change our background image. Now imagine we want to change this fire M, okay? We're going to change this fire M. Like for example, this image here that says is a blazing fire, but it's used the letter M. So what are we going to do? We want to change it. We don't want it. But how do we know that this is the image we want to change? For example, we come back into image. Once you click on the image here, we see that spark icon. Exactly. That tells us that it is the front image that we're going to change. We come back to image again, the properties opens, and we go to custom image. Now we go to custom image and we pick the image of our choice from our folders. Okay, so we're going to choose similar thing like this, but it's going to be motive. Okay, for example, we want to use the letter H. Okay, let's say we want to use the letter H. Then we select H, we click on open. Obviously we can see that we have changed our image. Well, there's so many things we can do in phase 2. I also talk about how we can change the border, or we can add border to it. For example, if you want to add a border, you see here we see keep aspect ratios and blurred border. So if we want to make the border blurred, we just click on it and you can see our border. See our border no longer the same. Okay, but we don't want the border to be that way. So what do? We go back and make it, we deselect it. Now we side panel go. So what if we want to change the shape also? We come to cycle. We're using cycle. Do you see? We're using cycle. If you look very closely, you see at the back of this polygon there, you see the cycle behind it, right? You see the cycle. Okay, so that's it. That's the entire purpose for today's video, guys. I hope that this video will be very helpful to you and help you to understand and how to make your own music spectrums. But before I go, I want to do one more thing again. I want to teach you how you can add music there. Now, if you want to add a music to make this spectrum look great, all you have to do is just come right back here to this. You see this? Exactly. This digital icon here. Just click on this digital icon and it'll take you to your music folder. Now you can select any music of your choice from here. Again, you should have your music folder added already within this. So let's say, for example, we want to choose all this music. Patience, okay? This music is patience. Now, once you choose the music patience, what you want to do, you double click on it and like and share this video and hit the notification bell for my upcoming video. So I see you guys in the next videos, and I hope you have a great day, and thank you, and God bless you. Have a great day.